I've stayed with Gladiator for as long as I have because I continue to get results from it. It's attracting the types of clients I want in the first place. So the level of client and how seriously they're taking their own case, which matters to me, has gone up as time has gone on with me working with Gladiator because we understand who we're marketing to.
With 20 years of experience, just focused on lawyer website marketing, I have the data to know what tells me what works and what doesn't. And all of this culminates in a lifetime, a career of information that tells me what at the end of the day is going to bring in the biggest bang for your marketing dollar. I've had the privilege of being invited to speak at the ABA, numerous other legal conferences across the country. I've served on very elite panels. I've spoken on everything from SEO to web design to the model rules of conduct. When I started Gladiator Law Marketing, that provided me the opportunity to get back to my roots, really get my hands dirty and stay in that place where I got to design the websites and work with each of the clients one-on-one. We kept growing and we kept growing. And I was at home for one Christmas and I was stressed out and I was working all the time. And I said, oh my gosh, this is great. This is great. We've got people knocking down our doors, but boy, it's about to kill me. And Adam says, well, I can help you with that.
I went into the military, it was just something I was always interested in doing. I got my pilot's license when I was 17, but I knew that it wasn't going to be something that I wanted to do for the full extent of my career, the whole 20 years or plus. And so after my first commitment, which was about 8 years in, I decided to get out and look for another opportunity.
Adam has an MBA, he has lots of background. Never in a million years did I think that I would have the privilege of running a company with my brother. That was never the plan. But the more we sat down, the more we hammered out the details, the more it fit him, the more it fit me. When you think about family and you think about communication, you think about loyalty, you think about priorities in your life, I think those are the things that are at the heart of how Adam and I work together. They're at the heart of who Gladiator Law Marketing is. And I think that that resonates with our clients because at the end of the day, family is a lot about who they are.
They're just good people. You can't put a price tag on good people.
It's almost like the whole company itself is part of that family. We're all there for each other and we actually care for each other. And that kind of bleeds over into the clients too. Like we honestly do care about our clients' success. And I really do think it comes from that family kind of feel. We're not a kind of burn and turn type of company that runs through people when we need them. When it comes to my team, it's like, no, I want this to be the last place you have in your career.
We're going to hire people that have typically a decade of experience. That really shows in the level of knowledge and service that our clients are going to get on every single touch point that they have with us.
I've been working with Gladiator Law Marketing over 10 years, and I'm very happy that I have.
I bring the design and the creativity. He has a really analytical mind that he brings to things.
Combining that creative side with the analytical side, we have a better understanding of what's going to work and what's not going to work.
We've only had Gladiator for about 8 or 9 months now. I'm impressed with how our appearance has been showing up on the searches.
The Webby Award, from a website design perspective, was one of our top awards. The New York Times has called the Webby Award one of the highest honors you can get in the internet. That was a project that we worked on with the Gilliam Law Firm in San Diego, and the website was about sexual discrimination in the workplace. It happened along the same time as the Me Too movement, so there was a lot of visibility. And in that same time frame, we were also awarded the People's Voice Award for that project. And the People's Voice Award is not from the judges, but it's from the internet and people as a whole. So we both won the judges' vote and the People's Voice vote. We have a 95% client retention rate. I think it's important to understand that the 95% client retention rate is not only a reflection of how happy our clients are with us long term, but it's also a reflection of the fact that marketing campaigns do better when they're built on sustainable foundations and they're continued over a course of time. Any law firm that starts and stops, starts and stops, starts and stops, or that tries to shop around different agencies, that constant churn is going to have a negative effect on the end result that they get from their marketing dollars.
When you put so much hard work in on a client and you see their rankings, shoot up, go on that first page, and they call us and tell us they're getting calls. It's such a feeling of satisfaction to know that I helped get somebody else business in the door and keep their livelihood going and help them support their family.
Gladiator Law Marketing was called Gladiator Law Marketing as a tribute to that inner gladiator that we all have. And when I think about our clients, they're gladiators for their clients. People come to our clients when they're vulnerable, when they need help. They're looking for a gladiator. So in turn, we want to be the gladiator for gladiators.